I want to talk about this three-stage knife sharpener that DSkiley sent me to do a video on. If you've ever worked in a kitchen, you know that the most dangerous thing is not a sharp knife, but it is a dull knife. It can be expensive to keep your knife sharp. This is a great way to do it at home at a budget price. Now, operation, extremely easy. Take a look right at the bottom. You've got this right here, the padded bottom. So this isn't going to slide around a lot while you're sharpening. Very important. Like I said, three-stage. So you've got coarse, fine, and polish. So depending on exactly how dull the knife you're using is, you may want to go through the entire gamut. If you got a knife that just needs a little bit of a touch-up, fine or polish might simply do the trick. It's going to depend on exactly what shape your knives are in. As far as operation, one button operation right here to turn it on. And I've got a paring knife that I'm going to touch up a little bit today. And you'll see you've got two sides. What I do is I'll usually go 5 passes on each side per stage. Obviously, if the knife is very dull, I'll start down here, work my way down. That's what I'm doing for demonstration purposes today. You may not need to go through the entire gamut, but and after that, you got the polish right here, just to put a fine little touch on it. You can see the final result right here. Let's see how sharp it is. So if your knives are dull and starting to feel frustrating to use, this is one of the easiest way to bring them back to life without any skill or guesswork. DSkiley Electric Knife Sharpener, designed to give you fast, convenient sharpening at your home, even if you've never sharpened a knife before. One of the biggest advantages here, how simple it is to use. No complicated technique, no pressure control. You literally pull the knife through the slots and it does the work for you. That makes it perfect for beginners, busy home cooks, or even seniors who want a safe, reliable option. What really sets us apart is a 3-stage, 100% diamond sharpening system. Each stage is designed to do something specific. First stage helps repair and reshape dull edges. Second stage sharpens the blade. And the final stage polishes for a clean, smooth finish. Gives you a much more consistent professional result compared to manual basic sharpeners. Another key feature is a 20-degree angle guide. This automatically holds your knife at the ideal angle for most kitchen knives, which helps prevent over sharpening or even uneven edges. So you get great results without risking damage to your blades. And it works with most non-serrated kitchen knives, including chef's knives, santoku knives, slicing knives, paring knives, basically everything you use on a daily basis. The motor is powerful, but it is stable, so it sharpens smoothly without overheating or slowing down. And cleanup is easy too, thanks to a built-in magnetic collector that catches metal shavings, so you're not left with a mess on your counter. Overall, it's simple, reliable upgrade for any kitchen. And if you want sharper knives, faster prep, and less frustration while cooking, this is an easy solution, delivers consistent results every time. If you'd like one for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.